ready na ako eh. Parang gusto ko na mapakinggan eh. Pero let's hear first from Direk Kim. Direk Kim, may we hear from you? Abot na natin ang microphone, please.
Sa totoo lang po, napaka-weird na experience nito for me as a filmmaker. In 2017, I wrote the Barboy script in 17 hours, rushing for a festival. 2015, 10 years ago, I wrote the Barboy script. Tapos sinend ko kay Kaloy around that time din. Sorry na. Hindi ko in-expect na ang daming mararating nung pelikula. It has 17.7 million views on YouTube with 60,000 comments. And karamihan dun sa mga comments na yun say, babalik ako dito pag lawyer na ako. Babalik ako dito kapag doctor na ako or criminology graduate na ako. There's even a message there na babalik ako dito pag cancer survivor na ako. And it inspired generations of people to keep going. Kahit na napakahirap ang pagiging Pilipino, ang pagiging adult at pagiging estudyante sa bansang ito. And nagkaroon ng musical na 3 season nag-run at nag-sold out for almost all their shows. And now we're at the sequel. And I'm just so thankful to everyone who helped us make the first film and now are helping us make the second film. And I'm very fortunate to be reunited with old friends. There are people who come into your life for a season, and there are those that last a lifetime. And as you grow older, mas hinahanap mo yung mga tao that can help you grow and can help you be a better person. And that's why sinulat namin tong pelikulang ito ng 2 of my closest friends in the industry, Director Carlo Catu and Director Zig Dulay. So, sinulat namin siya as a tribute to the people who... Kasi when you're young, ang mga hinahanap mo mga kaibigan yung masasaya, yung mga chill lang. Hanapin mo pa rin siya later in life, pero as you grow in wisdom, you look more for people who help you grow and help you improve and help you become wiser. And I'm so happy na nung nag-reunite din kami as friends, kaming 4, may ganong pakiramdam that we all grew as people. And I've worked with almost everyone in this stage, except si Bryce at si Emilio. Lahat ng tao sa stage na to nakatrabaho ko na. And lahat sila, I can guarantee you, mabubuting tao. At lahat sila ay tunay na mga artists who want to be better in their craft. I've made great memories with everyone in this stage, and I will forever be grateful for what we have all accomplished together. So sana, supportahan niyo ang aming pelikula sa MMFF, and we are an independent, hindi, umpisa na we are an independent production company. And sana unahin nyo kami. I'm not saying na hindi nyo panoorin nyo iba. I mean, I'm sure the other films are excellent as well. Pero as an independent production, sana unahin nyo kami. And supportahan nyo kami so that we can make more stories that tackle these themes and talk about issues that are happening in the country while being fun, entertaining, nakakakilig at nakakaiyak pa rin. So thank you so much everyone, and thank you to all the press who came here today. Thank you for supporting this film.
Thank you, Direk Kim. Yung sinabi ni Direk Kim kanina na parang, you know, people come into our lives for our season. Kala ko kakanta na ng For Good si Direk eh. Alam ko mag-weekend na siya eh, no? Kala ko siya na yung magpe-perform eh, di ba? Okay, before we begin our Q&A, papatiin muna natin our cast members. Let's start with Bryce. Bryce, if you can greet everybody and say a few words.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Bryce. I'm part of the Barboy's cast as Jonas. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for giving your time para pumunta dito, and at the same time, humihingi na rin po kami ng tulong ninyo na suportahan po ang pelikula namin. Ayan, enjoy the night everyone.
Thank you, Bryce. Salamat. Ito, the very busy Will Ashley.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. First of all, maraming salamat po sa mga kaibigan namin sa press. Nagbigay po ng time ninyo para samahan po kami, i-share sa inyo itong makabuluhang pelikula na ginawa po namin lahat at pinaghirapan namin. yeah, thank you so much po.
Thank you, Will. Of course, the multi-talented Benedix.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Benedix, nagmula sa universe ng Barboys the Musical as Eric Vicencio.
Grabe, ang galing!
Dito naman ay nagkaroon ako ng magandang oportunidad para ma-play ang isang manggagawang Pilipino na si Bok. So maraming salamat po sa paghugot sa akin sa musical at dinala ko dito sa universe ng Barboys.
Benedix, did you have to audition or hinandpick ka na ni Direk?
Actually, araw-araw nag-audition ako sa kay Direk. From the stage pa lang, as in, pinapakita ko na somehow gusto ko maging worthy of playing a character inside the Barboys After School universe.
Alright, thank you, Benedix.
Thank you po.
Of course, the controversial Sasa Girl. Ayaw mo ba ng controversial?
Controversial. Hindi. This is the most demure I've ever been, TBH. Charing. In real life, and of course, sa movie, because I'm playing a law student. Her name is Trisha Perez. Yes, a valedictorian. So, sobrang demure ko talaga. Sobrang demure ko talaga. So, yes, this is another side of Sasa Girl na dapat abangan ninyo. So, watch the film December 25 and yes.
Akala ko ba ikaw yung last nine dun sa trailer kanina? Parang-
Hindi, syempre, di ba? Well, ano, malay mo. Malay mo. Namatay ako dito eh.
Ay, wow.
Sorry, eme lang.
Thank you, Sasa. Emilio!
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po si Emilio Diaz. I play Ziggy here sa Bar Boys 2 After School. It's my first ever movie sa MMFF. And I'm so proud to be surrounded by greatness. As you can see, lahat ng mga artista dito award-winning. So it was really a good experience for me as a baguhan dito sa industriya na talagang matuto sa mga artistang to, and of course with Direct Kip.
Right.
So, yun, panoorin niyo po. And we put in so much hard work into this film and sana magustuhan niyo.
Thank you, Emilio. And speaking of award-winning, Therese!
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Therese Malvar and I played the role of CJ in Bar Boys After School. First off, I would like to say thank you for giving your time for us and for really spending your day here with us para i-share lalo yung pelikula namin. So please to continue. Sana, ulitin ko sinabi ni Direk Kip, sana please panoorin nyo una ang Bar Boys After School para hindi po kami ma-pull out agad, please.
Hindi naman, grabe.
Sorry. Anyway, I think we all gave our hearts out for this film, not just because of the story na sobrang ganda ng pagsusulat, pero dahil din sa pagmamahal namin para kay Direk Kip. Talagang yes agad kami. Ako personally, nag-yes agad ako sa kanya because with our 11 years of friendship, what's not there to say yes to?
Thank you, Therese. Enzo, you're back!